Alright, so I stopped at a Hobby Lobby the other day when I was out of town, and I found a loom set that I don't have. The Yarnology Chunky Yarn Looms. It was $14.99, but I think I got it on sale for like $10. And this is just cast on knitting. It's just give you some basic directions. Now let's open this up and check out these looms. I'll give you my first impression. Loom tool is always nice to have. Oh, they're actually hooked together. So let's... I also got these scissors at Hobby Lobby while I was there. And they're not good for cutting this plastic, but they're great for yarn. Look how cool they are. I know this isn't what I'm reviewing right now, but you can hook it to something. Those are cool. Okay, anyway. So, these looms. My God, they're thick. I don't see this breaking at all if you drop it. Wow. Okay, let's check gauge. They're both the same gauge. The only way I know is I'm holding them like that and you can see the pegs are the same. But if you're wanting to know the actual gauge of them, alright, I'm not great at this, but here's how you check the gauge of a loom. You go from the middle of one peg to the middle of the other. And this is, zoom in, this is a 1-inch gauge loom. You know what? I think this is probably, I don't know that I have any other looms that are a 1-inch gauge. So this will be neat to try out and work with. Alright, and they don't perfectly nest just because of the anchor pegs. But, oh, you can snap them in. Okay, these are some neat looms with a 1-inch gauge. So you'd want to use, ooh, probably a super bulky, like a 6 on these, I'd say. Yay! Okay, anybody who has these looms, let me know what you think and what type of yarn you like to use on them, because just looking at them, they look like they're made very well. And I'm guessing that you'd use like a size 6 yarn on them. Of course, you have like standard loom tool. Let's see what the tip is like. The tip is a little, the tip's a little duller than I prefer for my loom tools. But for a loom like this, the yarn you're using is so chunky that it probably actually work perfect. Zip it up. Okay, there we go. New looms. I'm always excited for new looms. Alright guys, let me know what you think of these looms, those of you who have used them. To me, they look like they're made very, very well and that they'd be very durable. They don't appear to be made out of like the, not dogging another company, but they're not made out of the recycled plastic. See like the shine on it? And hear that noise? These are very, very, very brittle looms. So it's not like that. This is more, I compare this more to like your regular nifty knitters as far as plastic goes. It's not quite that good, but it feels like it's very good plastic. Alright guys, that's it. I'm done. Wanted to show you my new looms and I'm excited about them. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you enjoy. Don't forget to leave comments in the comment section if you have tried these looms. Thanks guys. Don't forget to like, don't forget to share, subscribe, and when you subscribe, make sure that you turn the notifications on so that you'll get emails when new videos are posted. Thanks guys. Have a nice day.